Hi, this is Tim Bost with FinancialCyclesWeekly.com with another Astro-Traders video tip of the week. So let's talk about what happens when Mercury is retrograde. We get a number of effects. We can get interruptions in commercial activity, confusion in communications, unanticipated delays in travel and transportation, fruitless negotiations, and unenforceable contracts when those contracts are signed while Mercury is retrograde, countertrends in trading activity, inversions in chart patterns, miscalculations and mistakes in market analysis, and it's definitely a time for extra caution in astro trading. Now, we're in the midst right now of a Mercury retrograde period. Mercury went retrograde with its station on October 31st at 27 degrees 38 minutes of Scorpio. It will continue going backwards until November 20th when it makes its direct station at 11 degrees 35 minutes Scorpio, and then it will take until December 7th, 2019 for Mercury to get back to where it started from at 27 degrees 38 minutes of Scorpio. Now, if you want to know more about this current Mercury retrograde, go to bit.ly/RXMV31. That will get you more details right away. Mercury retrograde affects different markets in different ways. This is very important to understand. For example, with the S&P 500, there's a 62.9% probability of a price increase while Mercury is retrograde, but the average gain is just 0.49% during that Mercury retrograde period. When we look at the 30-year treasuries, we get an entirely different picture. There's a 62.4% likelihood of declining prices there, with an average loss of 0.54%. When we look at Bitcoin, it's an entirely different picture there as well. Bitcoin has a 54.2% chance of higher prices, with an average bump of 16.93% during the approximately 21-day period that Mercury is in retrograde motion. With gold, we have a 57.6% likelihood of higher prices during Mercury retrograde, but the average gain is 0.94%. Wheat is 52% likely to be higher, with an average loss of 0.20%. Crude oil has a 57.7% probability of a price increase, but in spite of that, it shows an average loss of 0.41%. So those are some of the effects of Mercury retrograde on a variety of markets. If you want more information on Mercury retrograde, go to bit.ly/RXMV31. That's our Astro Traders video tip of the week. For more tips, subscribe today and go to FinancialCyclesWeekly.com.